For many, hearing instruments are a significant financial investment. Examining these considerations from several different perspectives can make your buying decisions better and easier. Many people start by thinking they need to understand more about the cost of hearing instruments. It's true that designing and creating a miniaturized high-fidelity sound system that is custom-made for the ear and hearing needs of just one person requires resources and processes unlike almost any other type of electronic manufacturing. But ultimately, cost of the instruments isn't the most important factor. Rather, it is the worth or value you give to the results that are meaningful. What is the value of better hearing? Not just to you, but to your family and those you must communicate with. Many people find benefit in relating the purchase of hearing instruments to other major long-term purchases, like homes and automobiles. While the cost of your house was very high, you likely placed a comparably high value on having shelter and living comfortably. The same is true with your car. The high price is justified by your value on safe, reliable transportation. With both items, a better understanding of their value is gained by dividing the cost into monthly amounts. The actual value of better hearing can also be measured this way. Because you'll be receiving benefit from them on a daily basis, it is more accurate to divide your hearing instruments' cost and expenses over their lifetime. Based on industry estimates, the average lifespan for today's instruments is 3 to 5 years. When divided by the average purchase and maintenance costs of today's hearing instruments, the actual cost per day is much more realistic. It is also comparable to other essential expenses of daily life, like meals, transportation, and entertainment. Effective communication with family and friends, as well as the resulting improvement in quality of life, are certainly worth as much. Another similarity between hearing instruments and other major life purchases is your motivation to learn how to use and maintain them. Getting the most benefit from a car's safe, reliable transportation involves a thorough understanding of how to operate and care for it. The same is true for your investment in better hearing. Achieving maximum value depends on your willingness to relearn to hear effectively in a new world of sound. Your hearing professional is ready to answer any additional questions you may have about this important decision. Placing an accurate and realistic value on amplification can be more difficult because you haven't yet experienced better hearing, and you may be underestimating its impact on your life. This conclusion is more likely if you've been reluctant to seek help for your problem, or you're doing so at the insistence of a spouse or family member. The impact of your hearing loss can be as great, if not greater, on them. Understanding the true value and impact of better hearing can be favorably compared to another essential health-related activity. Besides being an important part of our overall health and well-being, effective sleep habits result from the type and quality of your bed. Similar to hearing instruments, bed mattresses are available in a variety of sizes and offer specific features such as firmness and adjustability. Many people take deliberate care in bed selection, since effective sleep has such a major impact on our quality of life. Poor sleep quality can cause miscommunication, irritability, even serious health and safety consequences. Conversely, a good night's sleep benefits virtually all aspects of our waking hours. And for many people, the right bed must meet more than just one person's needs. When it comes to cost, a bed can be a significant expense. But for many of these reasons, most people place a high value in purchasing what they need. In much the same way, understanding the value and impact of your hearing instruments is essential when evaluating the financial considerations. Your hearing professional is happy to answer any questions you may have about this important decision.